Many people dream of becoming successful, but they often believe they need millions of Kenyan shillings before they can begin. The truth is very different. Some of the most successful businesses started with very little money, a simple idea, and the courage to take the first step. A small business may look unimportant in the beginning, but it can completely change your life if you stay committed and keep improving it. Across Kenya, thousands of people wake up every morning to open small shops, food kiosks, salons, repair businesses, online stores, farms, and many other businesses. Some of them earn only a few hundred Kenyan shillings a day when they start. However, over time, many of these businesses grow into stable sources of income that support entire families. Small businesses also create jobs for other people and help communities develop. A small business gives you something that many jobs cannot always provide. It gives you the chance to build an asset that belongs to you. When you work for someone else, your salary usually depends on your employer. When you own a business, your income can grow as your customers grow. Every improvement you make has the potential to increase your earnings. One of the biggest advantages of owning a small business is that it teaches valuable life skills. You learn how to solve problems, communicate with customers, manage money, negotiate with suppliers, and make better decisions. These skills become useful in every part of your life. Even if your first business does not succeed, the lessons you learn can help you build a stronger business in the future. Many people wait for the perfect opportunity before starting a business. They wait until they have more money, more knowledge, or more confidence. Unfortunately, perfect conditions rarely come. Successful entrepreneurs understand that they can start small and improve as they go. A person selling vegetables, making mandazi, repairing phones, or offering digital services can slowly build a loyal customer base through consistency and quality. Imagine someone starting with only 5,000 Kenyan shillings. They buy a small amount of stock and begin selling to friends and neighbors. They make a small profit, save part of it, and buy more stock. Month after month, the business grows. After a few years, they may own a fully stocked shop, employ workers, and earn enough to educate their children, build a home, or invest in other businesses. This journey may seem slow, but it is how many successful businesses are built. Your business does not have to be unique to become successful. There may already be many shops, barbers, salons, restaurants, or online sellers in your area. What makes the difference is how well you serve your customers. People remember businesses that are honest, friendly, reliable, and consistent. A smile, clean products, fair prices, and excellent customer service can attract more customers than expensive advertising. Money management is another important reason why a small business can change your life. Many businesses fail because owners spend profits instead of growing the business. Wise entrepreneurs separate business money from personal money. They keep records of sales and expenses. They understand how much profit they make and how much they should reinvest. Even simple record keeping can help you make better business decisions. Technology has also created many opportunities for small businesses. Today, a business owner can reach customers using a smartphone. Social media allows businesses to display products, answer customer questions, and receive orders without renting expensive premises. Digital payments make buying and selling easier. Even small businesses can compete with larger companies by using online platforms wisely. Learning should never stop. Business owners who continue learning usually grow faster than those who remain comfortable. You can learn from books, videos, podcasts, business seminars, successful entrepreneurs, and your own customers. Every new skill can improve your business. Learning about marketing, customer service, bookkeeping, or digital tools can increase your chances of success. Challenges will always come. Some months sales will be low. Prices of goods may increase. New competitors may enter the market. Customers may delay payments. These difficulties can feel discouraging, but they are normal in business. Successful entrepreneurs do not quit because of every problem. Instead, they look for solutions, adjust their plans, and keep moving forward. Failure is not the opposite of success. In business, failure is often part of the learning process. Every mistake teaches something valuable if you are willing to learn. Perhaps you ordered too much stock. Maybe you ignored customer feedback. Maybe your pricing was not right. These experiences help you become a better entrepreneur. Many successful business owners experience setbacks before achieving long-term success. Your reputation can become one of your greatest business assets. Customers trust businesses that keep their promises. If you promise to deliver today, deliver today. If a product has a problem, be honest and fix it. Trust takes time to build, but it can bring repeat customers who recommend your business to family and friends. Word of mouth remains one of the strongest forms of marketing. Saving profits allows your business to grow faster. Instead of buying unnecessary luxury items after every successful month, consider investing in better equipment, more stock, improved packaging, or additional marketing. These investments often produce even higher returns in the future. A growing business creates more opportunities than short-term spending. Your family can also benefit from your business. A stable business can pay school fees, provide better healthcare, improve housing, and reduce financial stress. It can also inspire your children to become hardworking and creative. They grow up seeing that success comes through discipline, patience, and consistent effort. A successful business can also give you freedom. As your business becomes stronger, you may have more control over your time and financial decisions. You may be able to choose where you live, support charitable causes, travel, or help relatives during difficult times. Financial freedom rarely happens overnight, but small businesses can create that path over many years. Many people believe that only large companies contribute to the economy. In reality, small businesses play a major role in creating employment and supporting economic growth. In Kenya, most new jobs continue to come from micro, small, and medium-sized businesses. Governments and development partners increasingly recognize their importance and continue introducing programs aimed at improving access to finance, business training, and market opportunities for entrepreneurs. One important lesson is that growth happens one customer at a time. You do not need thousands of customers on your first day. You need satisfied customers who come back and tell others about your business. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds lasting success. Never compare your beginning with someone else's success. Every entrepreneur has a different journey. Some businesses grow quickly, while others take many years. What matters most is making steady progress. If your business is stronger today than it was last year, you are moving in the right direction. Success also requires discipline. Open your business on time. Treat every customer with respect. Deliver quality every day. Keep learning. Save money. Adapt to change. These simple habits may not seem exciting, but they separate successful businesses from struggling ones. Your small business may begin as a side hustle. It may start from your home, a small rented space, or even a simple table by the roadside. Do not underestimate that humble beginning. Every successful business started somewhere. What matters is your willingness to keep improving even when progress feels slow. The future belongs to people who take action instead of waiting for perfect conditions. Every product you sell, every customer you serve, and every lesson you learn brings you one step closer to a better future. Your small business is more than a way to earn money. It is an opportunity to build confidence, create opportunities, support your family, and leave a lasting legacy. One day, you may look back and realize that the small decision to start your business was the moment that changed your entire life.